What is the impact of plastic pollution on oceans? 1. Marine life threats. Plastic pollution poses a severe threat to marine life. Many marine animals, including fish, seabirds, and turtles, ingest plastic debris, mistaking it for food. This can lead to internal injuries, starvation, and death. Entanglement in plastic waste, such as fishing nets and six-pack rings, can cause drowning, suffocation, and severe injuries. 2. Disruption of marine ecosystems. The accumulation of plastic debris in oceans disrupts marine ecosystems. Plastic can smother coral reefs and seagrass beds, essential habitats for many marine species. The presence of plastic debris alters the physical environment, affecting species composition and biodiversity, and disrupting natural processes. 3. Introduction of toxic chemicals. Plastics can absorb and release harmful chemicals, including persistent organic pollutants, POPs, and heavy metals. When marine animals ingest plastic, these toxic substances enter the food chain, posing health risks to marine life and, ultimately, to humans who consume seafood. 4. Microplastic contamination. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles resulting from the breakdown of larger plastic items, are pervasive in the ocean. These particles are easily ingested by marine organisms, from plankton to larger predators. Microplastic contamination disrupts feeding, growth, and reproduction in marine species, with potential long-term ecological impacts. 5. Economic consequences. Plastic pollution has significant economic implications. The fishing, tourism, and shipping industries are adversely affected by the presence of plastic debris. Cleaning up plastic waste is costly, and the loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services can lead to economic losses for coastal communities and industries reliant on healthy marine environments. 6. Human health risks. Plastic pollution in oceans poses direct and indirect risks to human health. Consuming seafood contaminated with plastic and associated chemicals can have adverse health effects, including hormonal disruptions and carcinogenic impacts. Additionally, plastic waste can contaminate drinking water sources and beaches, posing further health risks. 7. Aesthetic and recreational impacts. The presence of plastic waste in oceans and on beaches detracts from the natural beauty of marine environments. This pollution impacts recreational activities such as swimming, diving, and beach tourism. Aesthetic degradation can lead to decreased tourism revenues and diminished enjoyment of natural coastal areas. 8. Threat to marine navigation. Large accumulations of plastic debris can pose navigational hazards for vessels. Floating plastic waste can entangle propellers and clog intake valves, leading to operational disruptions and safety risks for ships. This can result in increased maintenance costs and potential accidents at sea. 9. Impact on coastal communities. Coastal communities, particularly those in developing countries, are disproportionately affected by plastic pollution. These communities often rely on fishing and tourism for their livelihoods. The degradation of marine environments and loss of marine resources due to plastic pollution can exacerbate poverty and reduce economic opportunities. 10. Need for global action. Addressing the impact of plastic pollution on oceans requires coordinated global action. International agreements, national policies, and local initiatives are essential to reduce plastic production, improve waste management, and promote recycling. Public awareness and behavior change are also critical in reducing plastic waste and protecting marine ecosystems. The pervasive issue of plastic pollution in oceans necessitates comprehensive efforts from individuals, communities, industries, and governments to mitigate its impact and ensure the health and sustainability of marine environments for future generations.